Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm just going to show you the Valentines that I have created and that I have received. These are a set of 3 for my children, and what I decided this year is to do a top 10 things I love about you list. I realized I'm always telling other people all the great things about them, but I don't necessarily tell them. So I thought this was a good opportunity to do that. I did the same for my husband. And then inside you can see this. He just got some chocolates. The kids got specific candies that they enjoy. And in fact, like while I'm here, maybe I'll put some little fun hearts and things inside that I have sitting on my desk, just to add to the festivities. And you can see the candies that I'm giving to them. Some more hearts. The nice thing about this, these little boxes, is that they are like easy to reuse. So they've got the seals on them. Make sure I get the right cards for the right kids. For the right candies that are specifically chosen for each of the kids, the ones that they like. My daughter actually did up Valentine's gifts for all of her classmates, and in it we put one of these bags, and it worked out really well. We had a lot of fun creating those. But then this morning, because I'm filming this on Valentine's Day, this morning I actually had a heck of a time carrying it all to school, because she made one of these for each of her class. So it was a big box of stuff that we had there. Okay, so that is the set of gifts there for the family. I'm going to share with you one of my friends. Her name's Trish. She did this little Valentine for me. She made this adorable slimline card. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love the little added sparkles on there. She's such a neat design. She always does a lot of this sort of layering and like framing within each of her cards, and it's something that I really should try to do more of. She used a couple of my favorite pieces. I love the Main Squeeze collection. And then look at this. Look at that. Isn't that neat? So pretty. What a fun design. The way that is another slimline card that just opens and closes. What a perfect little Happy Mail project to send, because it's so detailed and so spectacular. I think I'm going to have to ask her for the tutorial on how she made these so that I can create some of my own. That is like a really, really neat design. So that's that. And this one I haven't even opened up yet. Now this is from Ingrid, and I can link her channel. She has a YouTube channel as well as an Instagram account. We live in the same city, and she dropped this off in my mailbox, and I have yet to open it. I actually had been working pretty much nonstop since the day she gave it to me. I hadn't had time to open it, and I thought, you know what, let's save it until Valentine's Day, since it is a Valentine. So that is really pretty. Now look at all of this loveliness. so cute. She's got my name here. I love this paper. This must be a Bow Bunny collection. Not Bow Bunny, sorry. I'm looking at the bunny. A Doodlebug collection. I recognize the cuteness. Oh yeah, there's right there. Doodle Pops. Anytime you see cuteness, it's got to be Doodlebug. That's just the best word to describe them. I love Doodle Pops. I don't even want to use them. I just love their cute, adorable little packaging. And then she has gifted me these gorgeous hearts. Oh, doilies. Hooray. That's great. I love these little doilies. They're so useful. She made this cute little cutout and put some samples of different washies for me there. And what is tucked inside here? What? I'm just trying to see like what she made here. She's got these really cute stamps all around it, and I'm trying to see, is this a notebook? Is this cards? Oh, it's cut-aparts. She's gifted me some fun cut-aparts. You make happy. Okay, you make me happy when skies are gray. You are terrific. Just a note to say I love you. They're all just the same on the back there. Sending my love. Stay tuned for an important message. Sending you all my love. Thanks a bunch. Really open these in a strange order. You bring color to my world. That is cute. Beautiful. And then these stamps are so neat. And I think she's like wrapped them in a way that I can take some off and use them. She has. That's why there's so many there. It's really thick. That is adorable. There's in there. I love that. So let's leave that here. Go back to. Now, what is this? I feel like it might be a memory dex. Oh, it's not. It's a gorgeous shaker pocket and something that I could actually just place right onto a scrapbook layout. I love it. Look at that. She's got these like glorious little, I don't know if they're beads or little gems. Super cute. And then she's got some punched out hearts in there and a die cut in the background. You color my world. Stunning. Look at this neat pocket that has all these different places, and it's an envelope with a Velcro, and then inside she's got goodies. We've got Score, milk chocolate, almonds, and Score toffee. Oh, I love the look of that. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little envelopes. That is precious. Let's open these up and show you inside. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. I wonder if she has a die for these. I love it. I love little envelopes. I think they are the cutest. These are fantastic little embellishments that would go cute on any project. Like, look at that little note card. I love it. I was even thinking like you could just put one of these on here with their name, because I didn't actually put the name on the outside of the card at all. It would be kind of interesting to put a little note with who it's to on there. But anyway, super cute. I absolutely love these little cards. She's got the little heart that she's punched out and made like a little piece of paper for inside. That is adorable. So that is everything here. If you haven't already checked out my secret Cupid swap, definitely go by. I'll link that for you. And you can see it is a YouTube hop where it used to be a secret. This time we partnered up with a group of women, and we know who we were sending to and who was sending with us. We were paired up because we wanted to keep the shipping as close to home as possible. So we tried to keep within our own countries typically. And so I am sending to a fellow paper crafter in Canada, Miss Avali, and she has sent to me as well. So definitely check out that video, and you'll find all the links for the YouTube hop down below in that video. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, love to have you here. I hope you all had a happy Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating.